Want to learn how to set up custom alerts in Salesforce? Stick around because I'll walk you through everything you need to know to make your Salesforce experience more efficient and personalized. By the end of this video, you'll be able to easily set up these alerts to keep track of your most important tasks and ensure you never miss a beat. Before we dive in, you can start using Salesforce completely free from the first link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses that'll give you an edge in your workflow. Now, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, head to the Setup menu by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. From there, you'll search for Custom Alerts in the search bar. Next thing, once you're in the Custom Alert setup, you'll need to create a new alert rule. You do this by selecting New Rule and choosing which object you want to create an alert for. It could be leads, opportunities, or any other object depending on your needs. The third thing is setting the criteria for when the alert should trigger. For example, you can set it to notify you when an opportunity reaches a certain stage or when a field is updated. The more specific you can be here, the better. The key is defining what's important to you so you only get alerts for what truly matters. Next, you'll want to customize the message of your alert. This is where you can really make it personal. You'll be able to write a message that will pop up when the alert triggers, which is crucial for ensuring your team knows exactly what action needs to be taken. The fifth thing is selecting how you want to be notified. Salesforce allows you to choose between email notifications, in-app notifications, or even push notifications if you're using the mobile app. Pick the option that works best for you or your team's workflow. The sixth thing is testing the alert to ensure it works as expected. Go ahead and manually trigger the alert by updating a record or performing the action you set the rule for. If everything is set up correctly, you should receive your alert right away. If not, double-check your settings and try again. Lastly, don't forget to save your settings and activate the alert rule. You'll want to make sure it's active and running smoothly. So that's it. You've now set up custom alerts in Salesforce. This is a great way to keep your workflow smooth and stay on top of important events. Remember, the more specific you make your criteria and alert message, the better your notifications will serve you. Before you go, don't forget to check the description for that exclusive free trial of Salesforce and the bonus offers waiting for you. Thanks for watching, and happy Salesforce ING!